Hello, honey. Where are you?
No, I'm with the boys, baby.
You're with the boys, yeah? Oh, it's okay. You enjoy, eh? Yeah, enjoy.
No, I'm coming home very soon, as soon as possible. Because I come back. I love you.
Okay, baby. I love you. I love you. I love you so much.
Honey, I'm home. Come, baby,
Welcome,
come.
welcome back.
Thank you, my love. How are you?
I'm okay.
To that day, stuff to Chelsea.
Obadde yo naye nonswaziza naawe.
Mama, yesterday Chelsea got me the coffee. I'm so sorry, but those things they excite me.
So you had fun?
Obviously, the boys they brought beers, quick and chitabuka. Ninga, how are you?
I'm okay.
Go to Kavunji. Oh, I've been missing you.
Really? Boy.
No.
Hey, we're gonna give you a massage.
But no.
Yeah?
We go. You massage.
Massage.
Nobody forced you to this marriage?
No
Nobody?
one at all.
Okay.
We love each other.
Okay, let's continue.
Yes.
Vomovo.
Vomovo. We're not in the barrio. Vomovo.
I'm sorry. I took a cup of glasses of wine yesterday, so
Okay.
I'm sorry. Let's do the marriage vows, I think.
Yes,
Okay.
after all, we love each other. We can go on.
I know what. I'm sorry about the
It's okay.
the other one. Okay. Will you love each other?
Obviously. Not will. We are loving each other.
Did you go through enough counseling through
Yes, we did.
through
Very many
the
times.
church?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Sure.
Very
Okay. Will you love each other?
Sure. Obviously.
Will you honor each other?
Yes, yes, Reverend.
Will
She
you
does, and I do.
will you not exchange blows to one another?
No, not at all.
No.
Not at all.
Not at any other time.
So you have come to you love each other.
Yes, so much.
Okay. Will you accept children lovingly?
Why not?
We
Because
will.
we'll have children and we'll have to love them.
You won't back at each other?
Let the reverend still.
You won't?
Yes, please.
Okay. Let's do the marriage vows now.
Oh, yeah.
We begin with the groom. You can look through your eyes together.
Okay,
Just
okay.
you can even smile, okay?
Oh, yes.
Don't worry.
Thank
You
you
can
so
say, I, Peter,
I, Peter,
take you, my wife.
take you, my wife.
It's okay, look through her
Yes,
one is eyes. No,
yes,
don't
yes,
worry.
yes.
Don't worry about her. Yes, okay. I promise you
I promise you.
in good and bad times, okay? In good and bad times.
In good and bad times.
Okay, now we can say now the bride you can say, I, Sarah,
I, Sarah.
take you, Simon.
I take.
Reverend, it is
My
Peter.
husband is Peter.
Oh, you're called Peter?
Yes.
Oh my God. Omukubiriza.
Again.
Wampadde ebirayiro by'abantu balala. Excuse me, let me come back. I thought you were Peter. You were Simon. Did you say you're Simon?
I am Peter.
Did you say you're Peter?
Yes.
Okay, let me come back. I'm sorry.
You're Mokobidis.
I'm sorry about
You're
that.
spoiling our day.
There was an error in
Okay.
in the vows.
Okay.
There was a wedding yesterday, so
Go on.
okay, sorry. You
I, Sarah.
I Sarah.
I, Sarah.
Take you, Peter,
I take you, Peter,
to be my wedded husband.
to be my wedded husband.
You can look at yourself. Don't worry.
Obviously.
It's okay. Just look at yourself. Don't worry.
Yes.
I promise to be your true loved one
I promise to
in
be
good and bad times.
Reverend.
In good and bad times.
You're taking my
In
wife
good
so
and
fast.
bad times.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and what, Reverend?
In sickness and in health.
And in health.
I love you and honor you all days.
Yes,
I
he loves
love you.
me and
I love you.
yes.
Okay. Okay, now that you have declared your consent, I now join you as husband and wife. All right.
Nekibiri gona njagaza ki? Saba munana tanadda waka. Eno saka ejjogo lyatandise no sisobola digumiikiriza. Simu yange eririda. Every time I'm always with a boys and mama minyolo. Si. Nagenda kumbu. sibirige. Oliriddawa. Oliriddawa. Ojja no kunoonya gy'osula olwaleero. Ojja kunoonya gy'osula. Oba onaasula mu baboys ba ate ogeza n'osulayo. Ogeza n'osulayo nkwagala waka. Saawa 8 zigenda kuwera 9. Gundi saagala kummanyiira. Siya.
Honey, I'm home.
Omanyoko. Ovaawo.
I've been with the boys.
With the boys?
Hey. I even brought you honey. Sikoma kukubiyita byokka. You know, I've brought even the honey.
Ondetera ku ntubo. Honey. Honey bw'obigambe. Kale ba boys gy'oba bagira ku fumbi.
But you used to love me even I never with
Honey
the boys.
bw'obinyumize.
Nga nkugamba munnange, I'm with the boys tulaba kapiira.
Na nakwagalanga luli. Nakati munange nja akwagala. Naye bino munange by'okola bino. Tebijja kusijja bigumiikiriza. Tebijja kukola mu makagala.
Kuyomba baby.
Biki bino by'oyambadde?
Kofiira yange.
Gwe n'ozambadde ng'abalaasi oli mulaasi.
Wajibako.
Oli mulaasi.
Sirina ye.
Laba enjegere. Oli mbwa.
Ndagala omuganda we yakamba. Tojuwerabidde.
Kale yakakuwa kino ekifuba okiragaana.
It was just a start.
Okiragaana. Eno apesa bateekako gaaki. Bateekako gaaki.
Ejize nga ndi kubowa boda efuwa empewo kati.
Negasumulula. Kati taata bino ebikomo. Watandika ddi obyambala?
Eka naawe.
Nze tobimbulira. Obigula n'obyambala watandika ddi obyambala?
Ebibuna omuntu naye bwa design obumanyi mama waba.
Kiriga zino ssaawa mmeka? Ssaawa mmeka zino ezikomyawo ewaka?
Siri mwenda naye. Eyo zino
Tolina nansonyi ziri mwenda omusajja omufumbo.
titugire kale kamasaji.
Sebo waliwo amateeka
kamasaji. Tugende bayibe.
Wulira wanyumya amasaji.
Tugende kamasaji.
Yitaba boys bakunyiga amasaji.
Bojo.
Kakati sebo. Waliwo amateeka agafuga ennyumba eno. Eno enju yange. Nze agifuga era nze nina okuwa essaawa ez'okukomawo ewaka.
Nga tezagisasula.
Gwagisasula. Ogisasulira ani? Kakati sebo eno ennyumba yange na buli ekirimu kyange, entebe zange, obuligi bwange n'omufaliso. Ekitanda kyange, amasowaani, bijiiko, bikopo, biki byonna byange, fridge byonna byange, n'enju yonna yange.
Naye mukazi.
Kakati nze ngifuga.
Toyomba nnyo naawe bw'otyo.
Wagenda okumpasa nga tondaba.
Nali nkulaba ng'olabika bulungi. Nawe ekyaza enviiri.
Wanoonyaako ki?
Bulungi bwo nakunjagala.
Bulungi bwange nakunjagala. Nakukwagala. Kakati sebo. Olabye njagala. Wano mu nnyumba tujja kukwatagana.
Sawa omwenda obw'olumu.
Wange oyingira mu yaani? Mu yange?
Nga naawe kwekyanga. Mbadde nina kyenjaga okukasa.
Tokwatako oŋŋamba ki? Oŋŋamba ki?
Wekyanze.
Awo naakoma ku ssaawa ze njagala. Omukwano gujja kuddawo. Lwaki wabasanga tonneetuuka?
Nina sinneetuuka ndya sikirevu nkirina.
Atayinza kubanga okola bino nga wali weetuuka dda.
Neetuuka naawe. Nawasa nkwagala nga neetaaga omukazi okulabirira ondabirire tuzaale abaana.
Amaka galayika gakulemye. Era n'olwaleero togenda kisulayo. Ompoleza ba boys. Ddayo ba boys bakufumbirire. Bakuwa n'owokusula. Ate engeza ne sitakusanga ojja ku.
Honey.
Ojja